In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eToro charts. By the end, you'll know how to open a chart, switch chart types, change time frames, add indicators, draw on the chart, and navigate smoothly so you can analyze price movements with confidence. First, open the chart for the asset you want to study. Log into your eToro account, then use the search bar at the top to find any asset, like a major index, a popular stock, or a cryptocurrency. Click the asset from the results, and then select the Chart tab. This brings up the interactive chart where you'll do all your analysis. Next, choose the chart type that suits your style using the toolbar on the chart. A line chart gives you a clean, simple view of closing prices over time and is great for quick overviews. Candlestick charts are the most popular for trading because each candle shows the open, high, low, and close, making it easier to spot momentum and reversals. If you prefer more detail, try hollow candles or bars, which present similar information in a slightly different visual style that some traders find clearer for identifying trend strength. Now, adjust the time frame to match your analysis. Use the buttons like 1M, 5M, 1H, 1D, or 1W. This tells the chart how much time each bar or candle represents. Shorter intervals, like 1 minute or 5 minutes, are useful for very short-term perspective, while daily or weekly views help you see the broader trend. Remember that changing the time frame can reveal different patterns, so it's helpful to scan through a few. To deepen your analysis, add indicators by clicking the Indicators button. Moving averages help smooth out price and highlight the trend direction. RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is a momentum gauge that can hint at overbought or oversold conditions. MACD combines moving averages to help you spot potential shifts in momentum. Bollinger Bands show volatility and how far price is stretching from its average. You can add multiple indicators and adjust their settings to suit your preferences. Use the drawing tools to mark up your chart. Select trend lines to connect higher lows in an uptrend or lower highs in a downtrend. Draw horizontal lines to mark support and resistance, the levels where price has repeatedly bounced or stalled. You can also add shapes or notes to label patterns and keep track of your observations. Finally, navigate the chart with zoom and pan. Scroll to zoom in for detail or out to see the bigger picture. Click and drag left or right to move through price history. With these tools, you can build a clear, organized view of any asset on eToro.